I love animals, so a safari holiday sounds amazing.
What's your favorite animal?
I love all animals a lot, but the more dangerous, the better. So I was really up close to lions, and that's
For me, it's a
amazing.
hippo. I'm obsessed with baby hippos.
Okay.
Like, they're so cute.
I'm sure
I
this
see
is.
that. I see that you don't share my.
I mean, okay, I've never really spent any amount of time in a day thinking about baby hippos, but okay.
I have a lot of baby hippos like around, like in different. Not here.
Mona, that's your team. Stop calling them baby hippos.
Acha, okay. The weirdest food you've tried?
Crocodile.
Oh, me too.
High five. Where?
London.
Oh my God, I had it in Kenya.
In Kenya. I had it in London. At
Yeah.
this restaurant, there was this Thai place called.
Okay, this is about me. I had it in Carnivore in Kenya.
You had it in?
At Carnivore, it's a restaurant in
Okay.
Kenya. Yeah. Awesome though, right?
Yeah, it
tastes
tastes like
amazing.
chicken.
Much
the same-
superior
Yeah, but
texture
tastes like-
of
yeah.
chicken.
Yeah, but it tastes like chicken.
Yeah.
The other thing was another odd thing I had to eat was I was in college and in my psychology class, like our professor was like, oh, who's had like does weird foods, ye wo. Haath khada kar liya, karte karte sab niche aa gaye. She called like 4 or 5 of us aage up to the front of the class. Now one of my friends, Ruth, she was sitting and she was like, don't do it, just come back. आज एक नहीं अब तो मैं खड़ी होगी अब तो मैं करूँगी पूछूंगी क्या है. I had to have, she opened up a can of worms, like Korean, unka koi hota hai, like
Wow.
roasted
Okay.
something.
So this was not the figurative can
No,
of worms.
no, not a figurative can of worms. This was an actual can of
Wow.
crunchy
nice,
worms.
Nice.
And फिर वो बस अना की बात थी.
Oh my
फिर I was
God.
like, अच्छा मैं भी खा.
But I've heard that they taste nice.
Oh
and
no,
they're
there
not
was like
bad.
it was having chips. It was like having mungpali, like they were crunchy and salty and.
So next time you can't find peanuts,
Fine,
get a
Macaulay.
can of worms.
Acha, if you were to have the body of a human being and the face of an animal, what animal would you be?
I don't know. I could be a hawk.
A hawk.
I just thought of that.
Yeah, the vision would be insane.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I just thought of that.
I just thought of that now. Vision बहुत epic होगी.
Vision would be insane.
हाँ, because मैं
yeah.
golf खेलती हूँ तो मुझे आके 2-3 दफा attack किया हुआ है सर पे ठा करके मारती नहीं है. अच्छा, before we get into the main event of the thing, the last question is, if money and time were not an object, what would you be doing right now?
I don't know, exploring other planets.
Planets.
Yeah.
मैंने money और time का कहा था, मैंने technology का नहीं कहा था कि.
So if money is not a problem, then I would have interspace travel ships and all the time in the world to have them
Okay,
built.
बस मुझे फिर ना एक orbit करा देना around the earth.
बिल्कुल ठीक. मेरे पास time नहीं होगा उसमें.
Because all of a sudden time is not an issue, but now time is an issue.
That was the joke, yes.
Yeah. अच्छा, because you're not so serious. मैं अफीफा को कहूँगी कि झूठ बोला है.
No, I have a dangerous wit. I just take a little time to
Take a
open
little
up.
time to come
Yeah,
up. Okay.
yeah.
Theater or TV?
Oh, theater.
Yeah, theater's love. Like live performance का जो मजा है वो.
Although TV pays so much better, so TV.
Okay. So दोनों ही.
मतलब you can't make a career out of theater, na?
हाँ,
That's
here
what I'm
like I mean a massive career you can't like
No,
yeah.
no.
अच्छा. So I don't know if you guys have seen this video of Zahid on YouTube that he did. इन्होंने एक nose job कराई थी, which I mean it's very endearing for men to actually come out and talk about it because it's cosmetic surgery. I think globally is correlated mostly with women and उधर ज़्यादा बात होती है मर्दों बहुत कम, especially पाकिस्तानी देसी मर्द बहुत कम आके बोलते हैं कि हमने ये कराया. But more than your nose job and like that got botched and you have to get it fixed, what intrigued me was that you talk about your ego and how your ego played such a massive role. Since that time and today, can you just briefly tell me how you have, what's your journey and your relationship with your ego like today? Because it's something that I've been working on. So I would really like to.
Yeah, it's the biggest battle and the best journey you'll ever
Yeah.
embark upon. And what it's been like since that day has been, I'd say at least, if not successful, because that's too big of a word, but very constructive because that one incident not only brought me to closer to God, but also then made me realize that we'd make so many decisions just on a thought level purely because of our conditioned self, Hamari degrees of tolerance with our spouses, with our children, with our parents, the degree to which we love, the degree to which we get angry, all of this, a lot of it is not even us. It's that false self that we've made, and unless we are very, observant about, ये मैंने क्यों कहा है अभी? And a lot of people will say this to you. जो लोग इतना गौर फिक्र नहीं भी करते अपने बारे में, वो ये चीजें कहते हैं कि यार मुझे समझ नहीं आई मुझे इतना गुस्सा क्यों आ गया, या मुझे समझ नहीं आई मैंने उससे बदतमीजी क्यों कर ली, या मुझे समझ नहीं आई कि मैंने कुछ क्यों नहीं कहा. So that's I think to me, and the Quran says as well, this is the greatest jihad al-nafs.
Yeah, it
And
is.
that's the entire point of any religion, to ultimately have a good character at the end of your
And to
journey.
actually control your ego.
हाँ, मतलब
Because अगर
control
आपकी
it.
ego पे control आ जाए तो आप बाकी like you start realizing that half those things which you're not mindful of, you become mindful of them because that
Exactly.
ego is at bay.
Exactly.
Because control, that sense of control comes from the ego. And
Controlling
once
it, understanding it, and then
you reacting to it accordingly.
yeah.
How have you evolved as an actor?
I'd like to think I'm evolving all the time. I hope so.
Yeah.
If
But-
I'm not, then the audience would be the best judge for it.
But how have you? Like, have you seen an evolution in you, like in your approach to the kind of roles you take, or the way you approach the same kind of roles?
Dekho, I've been very unafraid of taking my roles. That's been honest from the day, first day. I mean, my debut was as a hero against Aisha Khan, and the next play I chose to do was a psycho against Sanam Jung,
Yeah.
which got me the first award in Alvida. So ये तो मुझे पहले दिन से पता था कि जब तक आपने रेंज नहीं दिखानी, ना तो आप खुद एज एन एक्टर ग्रो करोगे और ना ही ऑडियंस को समझ आएगी कि आप में क्या है क्या नहीं है.
And you've always taken on very, very unique roles. What was it about Ghabrana Nahi Hai? Because now we're coming to the main event of this interview today. It's an action comedy. And like I said, like you have mostly taken very dramatic, very grave, very powerful, serious roles. What made you decide to come to
देखो
this
जहाँ
genre?
पे जहाँ तक फिल्म्स का ताल्लुक है, we're not at a stage where you can choose and leave characters based on just what the character on offer is. फिल्म्स के हवाले से जहाँ देखा जाए तो आपको स्क्रिप्ट अच्छी मिल जाए, डायरेक्टर अच्छा मिल जाए, प्रोडक्शन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन अच्छी मिल जाए, because your film has to see the light of day. बहुत सारी फिल्में बन के
Shelves में पड़ी हुई हैं.
शेल्फ में चली जाती हैं या फिर एक दो दिन के लिए लगती हैं because they didn't have strong distribution or marketing. So for me, it had to be a very strong, perfect mix of things, very safe, to be honest. So this film, had very strong production and a guaranteed distribution in the form of Jameel Beg Saab, who's the executive producer, and then Saba, alongside. So great cast, and then script and director. So more than the choice of the character, it was a choice of the project.
Of the project.
Yeah, all in all, this project is something that I should finally
That's
say yes to
very
now.
wise.